Hello, there. Please, can you borrow your grandpa to shoot some video? I don't know about that though. No, Oga, please, now, Oga, please, now, Oga, please, now, Oga, please, Oga, please, Oga, please, please, Oga, please, Oga, please. Okay, fine. Okay. But see, don't break anything. Don't tie rubbish here. Okay, Oga, you will bring it back in good peace. Okay, now trust you. Hello guys, welcome back to Dan and also I'm Nayel and our friend at Cannibal all this temple to act already. Please remember to subscribe and like this video. Subscribe. Okay, so please enjoy the video. Subscribe and like the video. Yeah. Subscribe, oh, please subscribe. What are we doing today now? Today just coming out of the camp. Where do you even get it from? Finally my guy gave me this again. Okay, guy gave me wait. Look. What are they look at? Snake, oh, snake. Money got run. Snake, oh, snake. Money got run. Hey, snake. Morning, I see. I'm trapped. Yeah, you good. Hey, are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. So today I'm going to do this thing. Okay, guys. This thing fresh. Okay, fresh. This thing is the spike. Okay, guys. This is fresh. This is ready. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to that channel. Okay, guys, are you guys done with my this thing? Okay, yes, so we are done. Thank you. Let's go.